Hello friends, sometime back I had uploaded a video on the topic 30 major and common mistakes that must be avoided while writing TAT responses, and I got considerable feedback on that. I like to take it one step forward. There is a second mistake that many people do, and that is when a figure or an object is very clearly visible in the given picture by the psychologist. In the response, the candidate is not able to meaningfully include that object oblique picture in the story, है ना? And these figure oblique objects are very prominently visible. या तो कैंडिडेट उसे देखकर उसे इग्नोर कर देता है या उसे देखकर मीनिंगफुल तरीके से उसे इंक्लूड नहीं कर पाता है, और जब ऐसा कैंडिडेट करता है तो दिस इज कॉल्ड ओमिटिंग फिगर ऑब्लिक ऑब्जेक्ट्स. एंड इस तरह के ओमिशंस को साइकोलॉजिस्ट समझने की कोशिश करता है कि कैंडिडेट ऐसा क्यों कर रहा है फ्रॉम द बैटरी ऑफ 12 TATs and the confirmatory test, that is WAT SRT, and what is he claiming in the SD. तो मैं इसे थियोरी में ना बोलते हुए इसको एक्सप्लेन करूँगा एक TAT का रेस्पॉन्स से. सो आई यूज़ अ पिक्चर. उससे पहले I want to tell you that the 2 weeks AFOSOP offline composite batch is available. The classes are conducted at Nagpur, Sahas the Camp, AFOSOP, Sahas the Camp, Nagpur. This camp is about 40 kilometers away from the Nagpur city, and it is a completely residential program where the candidate as well as the assessor stay in the campus. And in order to reach from the Nagpur railway station or from the airport, you can contact Mr. Sandeep on this given number, and he will help you to come to the institute location. Now the batches for the August month are starting from 7th August to 19th August, and the date of reporting will be 6th August afternoon. Similarly, the September batches are going to start from 4th September to 16th September, and again the date of reporting will be 3rd August for this batch. And for you to register for this batch, you can contact at 9090099035. You can give us a call or you can WhatsApp us. We'll share you the details. So now come back to today's video. So this is the picture. Now if you look at this picture, you can clearly see there are 3 characters in this. One is definitely a dead body on the stretcher. A nurse is pushing that, and there is a person walking behind the nurse and following the body. The setting is of hospital. The person behind is a young boy, maybe in his 26-27 years or maybe 30. And when I ask you what led to the situation, what is currently happening, what is the final outcome, definitely I want to know who is this person who is dead, what is the connection between the dead body and the person who is walking behind, under what conditions death has happened, and how do you take the event forward. So that's what is the story. Now understand what has happened. This picture will be observed by you, perceived by you, and then processed by you, and then you would have written it in the form of a story. So I'll show you a story by a CDS candidate, and I want you to observe it and see where the figure oblique the object has been omitted and what has been omitted, and we'll see what is the conclusion of such act or such omission by the candidate. So listen to the story carefully. Sunita was an intern at JP Hospital, Noida. She was very eager to learn and get practical experience of nursing. One day, hospital had a great rush and everyone was busy. She was asked by a senior doctor to take a dead body to mortuary as the ward boy was busy in an emergency. She, without hesitation, said yes and took the body to room where mortuary head was waiting for her. She handed over the body and reported back to the doctor. The doctor was also previously amazed and impressed by her work. So he decided to provide her a full-time job opportunity. She became very happy, informed her parents and college about it, all became very happy. So that was the story. Now look at this picture. Let's understand what has happened. This picture was observed by you and perceived by you, and I'm sure when you heard the story, the candidate has observed the dead body, the candidate had seen the nurse, and I'm sure the candidate must have seen the person at the back. But in his story, something is drastically missing. In fact, I will not comment it now, I will comment in the part 2. What you have to understand is, once the information is processed in your head, that's your mansa, you project that mansa or the idea that you've created and put it on the paper using the pen. It is like कठपुतली का नाच है, और इसमें पूरा जो एक्टिविटी कागज में चल रहा है, सुनीता के रूप में या वो डेड बॉडी के रूप में, डॉक्टर साहब का आना, उसको प्रमोशन देना, उसको परमानेंट जॉब देना, एवरीथिंग इज हैपनिंग बिकॉज यू क्रिएटेड इन दिस माइंड. बट इफ यू लुक एट द पिक्चर, certain things have been ignored. So I want you to know, why has this got ignored? And the candidate who has done it, actually he is not aware. Why he is not aware? Because he is writing it thinking by doing certain things he will be able to show OLQ. So in this story, I will not elaborate. Sunita, the person at the back, there's a dead body. Who is the hero? What happened to the other person? What happened to the dead body? What happened to so many things unanswered? So I want you to comment on this story, and I want to tell what all figure/objects have been omitted or ignored by the candidate, and why do you think he would have done that? क्या उसने 3 characters including the dead body नहीं देखा था? क्या उसको जो पीछे का कैरेक्टर है उसको इन्वॉल्व करना था, नहीं करना था? और ये भी सोचना कि when you write such story, what is the likely impact on the interpretation of the psychologist, and in terms of the officer like quality, कहाँ पे ये असर करेगा? Because डेथ को हैंडल करने में स्ट्रेस हैंडलिंग है, you know there is social adaptability, cooperation, taking responsibility, all those things. क्या वो एड्रेस हुआ, क्या वो एड्रेस नहीं हुआ? सुनीता के एक्शंस को कैसे देखते हो? पीछे के बंदे को कैसे देखते हो? डेड बॉडी, डेथ कैसा हुआ, क्या हुआ? थोड़ा मुझे कमेंट लिख के बताना. सो आई वांट यू टू पुट योर कमेंट्स हियर. आई विल पुट माय रिमार्क्स in the second part because I want you to think it over. आपके ब्रेन को स्टिमुलेट करना मेरा एम है. If you're not already subscribed to the AFOSOP YouTube channel, can you do that? Share it, comment it. और मुझे बताना ये वीडियोस आपको किस तरह से मदद कर रहा है to think. I'm not telling you what to think. I'm telling you how to think. So मुझे ज़रूर कमेंट लिख के बताना. For AFOSOP offline and online classes, you're most welcome to call me at 9090099035 and I'll revert back to you. And इस वीडियो के ऊपर कमेंट डालना. I hope these videos are helping you. Thank you and may God bless you. Thank you very much.